everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty appetizer. It's very quick and easy to make. I'll be making corn masala. These are whole kernel corn and these are frozen. And it's a 12-ounce bag. It's a 340 gram. How to make it tasty and delicious? These are the ingredients we're going to use. Red onion and tomato, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon green chili, salt, cumin seed, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, quarter teaspoon each, cilantro, half teaspoon, half lemon, and olive oil for tadka. And let's start making our delicious corn masala. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add olive oil, 1 teaspoon. As oil start to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds. Add ginger, garlic. Mix it. Cook ginger, garlic until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking. As the onions start to change the color, add green chili. Mix it well. Cook green chili along with tadka for half a minute. Cooking green chili for half a minute. Add tomatoes. Mix it well. Bring your gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Cooking with the cover lid for 2 minutes. Mix it. The tomatoes are nicely tender. Now add spices. Salt, coriander, turmeric powder, garam masala. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for half a minute. Cooking spices with tadka for half a minute. Now add corn. Mix it well. Once tadka is nicely combined with corn, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. I'm cooking at a low gas as you see in my burner, and it could be your medium gas, medium heat. It's exactly 3 minutes. Mix it. Corn masala is all ready. And the last ingredient, cilantro, dhania. If you have a fresh, that will be perfect. Mix it. I'm going to turn off the gas. Add lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon. Mix it. And I will dish out. Are my serving bowl ready? Let me share with you. Prior to serving, garnish with fresh tomato and onion. Our tasty, delicious, quick and easy corn masala recipe is all ready. Please try it, and this is one of the quickest and easiest and best appetizer. I hope you're going to like this dish, and please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.